In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Binance AI for free and use it to get instant insights on any chart you're analyzing. This feature is extremely helpful if you want quick market context, trend summaries, or AI-powered observations without leaving the trading screen. Binance AI works directly inside the chart view, which means you can analyze price action and get insights at the same time. Perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on Trade. This takes you to Binance's trading interface where you can view charts and place trade rates. Once you're on the trading screen, tap on the candlestick icon. This opens the full chart view where you can see price movements, indicators, and timeframes for the asset you're analyzing. Now, look toward the top area of the chart. You'll see an AI icon. This is Binance's built-in AI feature that provides insights based on the chart currently open. Tap on the AI icon. Binance AI will now analyze the current chart and generate AI-powered insights. These insights may include trend direction, market behavior observations, or general context about what's happening on the chart. What's important to understand is that Binance AI gives you informational insights, not guaranteed predictions. It's designed to help you better understand market conditions, not replace your own research or decision making. You can switch between different trading pairs or timeframes, open the AI tool again, and see how the insights update based on the chart you're viewing. And the best part, this feature is free to access directly inside the Binance app. Before you use this in real trading, remember, AI insights are for educational purposes only and should not be treated as financial advice. Markets carry risk, and no tool can predict price movements with certainty. And that's it. You now know how to access Binance AI for free and use it to analyze charts directly inside the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.